but much more common among older adults. The next one is the macular degeneration.
Ano malibat itong mata no kay dagan sa kuan.
Okay, that's for the last Tuesday. You have to give me your report, the topic of the report, ha? Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Handwritten, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Because I will ask to get something from the test. Out of your report.
Yeah.
Okay, mag-submit niya next Tuesday. So, macular degeneration is one of the eye defects. It is an eye disease that mainly affects older people, but sometimes infants and children can develop it too. So when someone has macular degeneration, the middle area of the retina becomes dark. What is dark?
Guard? Kanang saman.
But when I look at the dictionary, so
Scar siya eh.
large.
Pura na kay scar.
Yeah.
Igang mo.
No.
The macular degeneration is unknown in most cases. So wala ko siya mahibaw kung if what are the cause of this macular degeneration until now. But it tends to know the run in families which indicate that genes and heredity are involved. We have also the retinoblastoma. So this retinoblastoma is cancerous tumor in the eye that usually appears in the first 5 years of life. So, makansiras din ito ang mata.
Kanang bulhog, ma'am. O na, ma'am?
So, there will be permanent vision loss to those people who have this eye defect. And the affected eye will have to be removed. Kailangan i-remove din yung eye ang mata. So, the next one is the retinopathy of the maturity. There will be a lot of other eye defects, the retinopathy of prematurity. So premature babies sometimes have damage to the blood vessels in the eye retina. From the word retina, so retinopathy, gusto din siya sa word na retina. A condition known as retinopathy of prematurity, which can lead to severe vision loss in some cases. So it can lead to loss of vision, blindness. Then the last, second to the last is the
Neng, joke. Kuan.
Yes, it is a condition in which the eye appears crossed. Crossed eye. Crossed eye.
Pero ganoon, pero
So, the usually
I'm open.
by an effect in the balance of the full inserted by the muscles that help the eye stay straight and move together properly. So, surgery on the eye muscle can help realign the eye. So, meaning in this case mo, yung mga pananawan ni is so, kada may hanglan ni siya need surgery para ma-realign yung mga vision. Yes, then the last one is the staying right. SA1, ma'am.
Right.
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 Joy. Madulas.
You have a sign.
Yes.
Ew.
So a sign is an infection of one falling off from which the eye muscles grow. Really, you gotta know. What is the sign? Sign.
Look, manggitli ko no ma'am. Mao na ma'am. Is it true? Siguro mga kuan no, mga abog-abog. Ah.
So those are the different eye effects. Okay, you understand? Okay, so we have like to ask one question, then we come on, and then I will also ask. Go. One question. Bigyan mo ng question from the group. Reaction. So, Ms. Reporter, in your own opinion, what
Structure.
for you, what is the proper way of cleaning the eye? Proper way of cleaning the eye. Okay, for me, is what I'm doing, pag hindi na ako sa humatay is water.
Ana sa kuan, ana sa basin.
I guess that I just crying. Diling ma'am, mabasa man. Yung pwede din na ma'am. Kung magpiyong mo ko nagsabon ma'am na. Lain man nagsabon kay ma'am. Magpiyong man.
Murag na mo gaw langaw.
Ma'am, how about in crying ma'am? Crying, yes, I see it. Hoy! Atom! Kuanam ka ng morning glory, ka na?
Morning glory!
Viewing, ka na? Ano to eh? Ang suto na kasi?
Morning glory!
Dili eh. Na ma'am, ka ng tawag ka. Nasa kong dila ma'am.
Muta.
Tantrum! I guess. Tantrums ma'am, I guess. Ano sa mo dito ma'am? Dump truck? Mot.
Gamot lo dito. Gamot na.
Sa ma'am? Secretion, black normal gland. Pero ang glands man ang ma'am, we're talking about the muta. The muta. Ma'am, the more you have muta, the clean is your eyes.